Hello friends, Maddie here. So this texture I have created earlier today by texture painting. There is a one beautiful add-on for texture painting is UC paint. We can paint in layers like Substance Painter. Now I want to add dirt in this material. So how to do that? First select this material, go in shading mode. So this is our principal BSDF. This is the main file. Click and drag here like this. Now add a noise shader and add color ramp here like this, color to, and then add con- shift A and then add color mix. Color mix. So first I have to color to B, click and drag to A, and then here also. So we have something like this. See, like this we can add dirt on our material. We can also change the color of a dirt. We can also add, if you want, you can also scale little bit. You can add the roughness of the dirt. If you want to add another color, you can add another color. Like this, you can add dirt to our model. If you want to change the color, you can also change the color. Now, after doing this, if you want to edit more in, see the eye is changing color here. So if you want to edit more, you have to bake the texture first. For that, create new image texture, and in image editor here, click here image texture, and here create a new image and name is at bake, and create a new image. And now here, click here, click on bake, and here create non color. Here it is RGB, create select non color, and go in our render tab, select cycles, and then go in bake, and here click on diffuse, indirect, direct, turn off, and then just bake. It will take some time. Okay, the bake is ready. Now I want save this image on desktop. Save as desktop. I'm going to name is I, and now go in layout mode. Delete this. Create a new texture. Open the file. See, the dirt is added beautifully. Now if you want, go in UC Paint. Click on material. Add color. And here, if you want, Go to solid color, add layers, click here plus sign, solid color. Okay, select this color to black and add a black mask. Add a black mask and then press Control Tab and go to texture paint. Here press X and see now from here you can paint directly on our. Okay, you can also change the color if you want. If you want to erase, press X and erase the color. But this is how we can add dirt to an object in substance. In substance matter is also nice for adding dirt and all, but Blender is Blender software include all things.